In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new team space in Notion. Whether you're collaborating with coworkers, planning a project, or organizing a community, setting up a team space can streamline your workflow and promote better communication. Now let's dive into the steps and get your team space up and running. First, begin by opening your Notion workspace. Once you have your Notion dashboard in front of you, you'll want to direct your attention to the left sidebar of your screen. This is where you'll find all your navigation controls and options. Scroll down until you reach the section labeled Team Spaces. This is where all the magic happens. You'll notice a plus sign right next to the Team Spaces label. This is your gateway to creating a new team space. Simply click on that plus button and you're well on your way to establishing the foundation for your new collaborative environment. Alternatively, if you prefer, you can click on All Team Spaces and then select Plus New Team Space. Both routes will lead you to the same setup screen. With the setup screen now open, you'll need to fill in some details. Start by entering a name for your team space that accurately reflects its purpose or the team's name. This will help everyone quickly identify what this space is about. Following that, let's add a description. This provides further clarity and context about the team space, explaining its goals or any other pertinent information. You also have the option to select an icon. While this step is optional, choosing an icon can make it easier for team members to visually identify the team space at a glance. Next, it's important to determine the access level for your new team space. Notion offers several options for this, ensuring you maintain the right balance of accessibility and privacy. The default setting means that all members within your Notion workspace are automatically added to the team space. If you're looking for inclusivity, Open is the ideal choice, allowing anyone in the workspace to join freely. On the other hand, a closed team space is visible to everyone, yet members must be invited or request to join. This is a great option for projects requiring more control over membership. Finally, for situations demanding confidentiality or exclusivity, consider the private setting. Here, only invited members can see or access the team space, and do note that this option is available on eligible paid plans only. Once all your choices have been made and you're satisfied with the setup, go ahead and click Create Team Space. Congratulations, you've now established a new team space in Notion, ready to foster collaboration and streamline your projects like never before. Remember, creating an effective team space is about aligning its accessibility and purpose with the needs of your team. I hope these instructions have been clear and valuable as you continue to harness the power of Notion. Thank you for watching and happy organizing.